This is windowpartcenter.com, and today we are looking at our sliding patio door handle set. It's S3020 Amesbury Truth PGT ClassicVue Max with grip dual pull. We're going to take a look at comes with this handle set and also handing. You will receive the exterior faceplate that comes with the keyed cylinder installed, the interior faceplate with thumb lock turn, 2 grip handles for left-handed and right-handed operation, 1 black foam spacer, and this is to be installed on the back side of the exterior faceplate, a set of new keys, quantity 2, as well as a pack of mounting screws for the faceplate as well as the handles to install this on your door completely. This handle works for left-handed and right-handed sliding patio doors. The bump on the grip goes to the bottom of the door handle. Looking at it from the exterior, mounting it this way, the door will open to the left, and then on the inside, bump to the bottom, the door will now open to the right. To reverse the handing, you don't just flip the handle upside down. What you do is actually swap the interior for the exterior, like so that bump is still on the bottom. Now the exterior, the door, will slide to the right, and the interior will now slide to the left. Parts can be ordered on our website, windowpartcenter.com. Like and follow for more videos.